Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common frustration: Adobe Acrobat Reader opening automatically every time you start your computer. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, or another OS in 2025, this quick fix will help you regain control and speed up your boot time. Let's dive right in. First off, why does this happen? Acrobat Reader might be set to launch at startup for convenience, but it can slow things down or just be annoying. Don't worry. Fixing it is straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes. If you're on Windows, start by opening the Task Manager. You can do this by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager, or by pressing Ctrl+Shift+ESC. Once it's open, go to the Startup tab. Look for Adobe Acrobat Reader in the list, right-click on it, and select Disable. That's it for Windows. For Mac users, head to System Preferences from the Apple menu. Click on Users and Groups, then select your username and go to the Login Items tab. Find Acrobat Reader in the list and click the minus button to remove it. If it's not there, check the Acrobat app settings under Preferences for a startup option and uncheck it. If you're using another OS like Linux, open your system's Startup Applications Manager. It's usually in the Settings app, and remove Acrobat from the list. After making these changes, restart your computer to test it out. Acrobat should no longer launch automatically. If it still does, double-check the settings or consider updating Acrobat to the latest 2025 version, as software updates often fix these issues. There you have it. Simple steps to stop Acrobat Reader from hijacking your startup. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.